Welcome to the Now Operating System Review and Bonuses. This is Dave Gardner, and I'm going to show you the way. So the main offer, getting right to the point, it is a done-for-you blogging platform. It's going to be $49.97 a month, or during pre-launch, you're going to save $10, and that's going to be recurring, $39.97 per month. You're going to just simply follow a few steps to the videos that I created, and your blog will be live within the hour, and your first post is going to be active as well. This also includes a lead capture system for you to build and generate leads, to follow up with them, that you can promote to them anything that you want, but obviously the blogging platform would be recommended as well. Now, the other option along with this is a full suite of tools to make your life so much easier. So we're going to break those down. You're going to get the email autoresponder that's just separate from the lead capture system, that you can build and capture your emails, contacts, details, and send them automated follow-up messages. You're going to get a page builder. You can create your own funnels, capture pages, bridge pages, thank you pages, or bonus pages to connect with your email autoresponder to make one system that you can continue that follow-up and engage with those leads that you're going to generate and build that know, like, and trust relationship with. You're going to get video hosting, and it's ad-free video hosting. So think YouTube on steroids, as it focuses your leads on your content and does not recommend other things to them at the end of the video. So you can embed them on your pages, your capture pages, sale pages, so much more. Or you can just share the link with people so that they can actually watch stuff and follow up with you. So you can actually put those links inside your email. People will be able to see some of the trainings as you go through. The other thing you're going to get is data storage for any member of your family. You're going to protect your favorite images, your videos, your music, your documents, and more across multiple devices, from your computers to your tablets and your phones. The other thing that's coming out soon is a webinar conference room, or an updated one, so you can hold live events, training, informational sessions, and to help grow your business and engage with your leads. So the question, how much is that going to cost? This is going to be a one-time $697 price. Notice I have double asterisks because after the launch, that will double, okay? This is actually going to pay out a $500 commission to those people who own this actual level and actually have the tools. So it does you due diligence to go through and get whatever money you can get put together so you can have all these tools and make some massive commissions from this one-time offer, okay? A one-time purchase price, again, of just $697. So let's break that down to see what it would actually cost you to pay for each of those individually. So email automation, $300 a year, often comes with a page builder, so I'm going to put those together. Video hosting, about $300 a year if you think of some of the other softwares that are out there. Data storage, minimally $100 a year. Webinar room, up to $200 a year, total of $900 a year, but you're not going to pay $900 a year. You are going to pay one time just $697. Okay, so after the first year, even the first year, you're saving almost $200 plus. You're going to save $900 a year after year after year. Note again, you will still have your $49.97 or $39.97, depending on when you got in, for the blogging platform, and that also covers continuous support, upgrades to the platform, the actual AI doing its job in the background, and so many more things. Now, to make it even better, this full suite actually includes what's known as the social media growth system, and that's an additional $300 a year. This will help you automatically post AI-created content to all of your social media platforms, from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and a variety of other resources. You can also create and add your own content to this, but you can just set it and forget it if you want and have AI do the work. So that's an additional $300 on top of the $900 that we already talked about. So now we're up to $1,200 a year, but again, you're not going to pay $1,200. Again, email automation at $300 with the page builder, video hosting at another $300, data storage at $100, webinar room at $200, social media growth system $300 a year. That's $1,200 a year. You again are not going to pay $1,200 a year. You're just going to do a one-time investment of $697 to get access to all these tools, to get the automation, and then the only thing you're going to have after this, month after month, is, again, depending on when you registered and what price point you're seeing, either the $49.97 a month or $39.97 a month. And again, that's going to cover all of your other blogging platform, the support, upgrades, continuous AI work, so on and so forth. So a couple ways to earn off of that. You become an automatic affiliate once you earn. When you refer others, you're going to earn a 50% commission on anyone that you refer who becomes a paid member with that blogging platform. Okay, 50% of either the $49.97 or 50% of the $39.97. You're going to get 50% monthly residuals month after month after month, as long as that person maintains their membership. And that could be also off of an annual purchase. Okay, the annual purchase obviously is worth a lot more. They're going to pay you all at once, and sometimes that's even a better deal because you're making more money up front. Next thing, 50% on upgrades. If there are upgrade offers or other sales, you are going to earn up to 50% commissions on those upgrades. And this could be things like email automation and much more. Number 4, going back to that $697 all-in marketing suite, you're going to earn $500 commissions on that. Now, notice this is a little asterisk here. If that price doubles, that commission is actually going to double up too. So keep that in mind, that you actually have potential to earn more over time as that price point goes up. So get in now at $697 and you'll be making more in the long run. These commissions are going to pass up if you do not own this. The next is binary commissions. On the back, there is a binary matrix that is going to be building based on team growth. And you have what they call tier 1 and tier 2 sales. I'm not going to get into detail with those. It's just based on team size. A cycle is every 4 you have on one leg and 2 you have on the other leg that are actively using the system and building. So as your team grows, you can start to earn tier 1 and then later tier 2 commissions. And the last way you can earn is on matching checks. When you refer people and they start to grow, you can start to earn matching checks on their tier 1 and 2 bonus cycles, anywhere from up to 25% if you are one of the lower ranks, all the way up to 100% if you are one of the higher ranks. So lots of ways to actually earn your money back. After one sale, again, if you earn one sale that's upgraded, you have almost covered your all-in membership. You have 2 sales, obviously you're in profit, and then all you have to have is 2 members in the blogging platform, and that covers itself as well because those are at 50%. So very, very lucrative opportunity here with the Now operating system. So how do you get started? Just click the link below, or you can type in jointhisasap.com. Again, jointhisasap.com, and you can learn more and how to actually get started building your list using the tools that you can use for any program that you promote. Again, it's not limited to only promoting the Now operating system. You can promote any opportunity you want with those tools. Okay, you have the freedom to promote whatever is in your mind. So I want to make this even more lucrative for you and hook you up with some massive bonuses. And so if you've seen my bonuses before, you know I like to give a lot of value back, and I like to give you some incentives to make it feel like you are really getting 10, 20, 30 times more sometimes what you're actually putting into it. So number 1 is going to be an MLM starter pack. If you have a CD player, let me know. I will actually possibly send you the actual CDs for some of these, but likely it will just be links to some of my favorite network marketing training with some of the legends to help you become your own network marketing professional. Second bonus is going to be lifetime access to my list chemistry training course, where you're going to learn all about building your list and making sales through email. And this is going to be delivered through video, documents, and email training. The next thing I'm going to do is going to hook you up with even more email templates that you can play around with, so you don't have to spend a lot of time creating them. Maybe you can take them, copy them, plug them into your own AI GPTs or whatever you're using, and edit them so they sound like they're coming from your own voice. And I'm going to hook you up with 150 of these to play around with. I'm going to hook you up with $500 in hotel vouchers. Maybe you want to go on a vacation. Maybe you need to go, on a short little trip to see friends, families, and so, other people. I'm going to give you $500 vouchers. The cool thing here, if you use it up, I can send you another one. Okay, this is available at millions of hotels around the world. Next thing I'm going to do is send you a all-inclusive vacation stay into the Dominican Republic. Now, if you don't like the Dominican Republic, we actually have hundreds of choices of other countries around around the world you can choose. But one of the ones I would recommend, obviously, is the all-inclusive. It's actually valued at closer to about $1,700 now instead of $1,497. Now, little disclaimer, I cover the hotel cost here. You would be responsible for the resort fees, any taxes, and any governmental taxes, as well as things like your transport to and from the country, your food, any outside entertainment, so on and so forth. I'm going to hook you up with some event notes. Okay, I've been to some events over the years, and two of the main ones that I've been to more recently, Digital Networker Live and the Live Good Las Vegas. I have consolidated my notes, put them in a nice document. I'm going to share them with you so you can learn to develop your team with some of the major strategies brought out by leaders in multiple industries around the world. Next thing I'm going to do is give you lifetime coaching. I'm going to be there to help support you, whether it's email updates. I'm going to have a team resource area. We're going to have documents, videos, training, so much that you can continue day by day to learn. Now, we don't expect you to learn it all in one day, 1 week, 1 month, or even 1 year. But we expect you to continue to grow and to continue to implement what you actually learn so that you can see that progressive growth over time. Now, if we take a look at all these, the MLM Starter Kit at $97, the List Chemistry Lifetime, $397, email templates, $497, the hotel vouchers, $500 each, vacation stay at $1497, the event notes at $1997, lifetime coaching, $49.97, total value of $9,982. Okay, that's not where it stops though. I'm actually going to double that, because I'm going to let you piggyback off of my efforts, and you can use those same bonuses when you refer other people to the Now OS and help build our team. So you are also going to allow them to get the List Chemistry Lifetime. You're going to allow them to get 150 MLM emails, the vacation stay, the hotel vouchers, the lifetime coaching. Okay, I'll be there helping them out. The only thing I won't send them are the physical MLM starter packs. Okay, if I send you a real DVD or physical CD, I'm not going to send them that to them. I'm going to send them just the digital versions. Okay, so lots of options here. So when we take that, double that, we're almost up to $20,000, $19,964 to be exact. Okay, this is basically priceless because you don't have to go through all the trouble to create the bonuses or to come up with the bonuses or to deliver the bonuses. Okay, I'm going to do that for you. All you have to do is let your new lead and your new member get in touch with me, and there's going to be some procedures to follow out just to make sure that everything's aligned correctly, and then they get stuff set up the right way and that they're actually on our team. Okay, now if you join me in Now OS and then later you join some other third-party program, you cannot use these bonuses for that other program. You can only use them for my team and your team on the Now OS. Okay, now for those of you that actually took or actually are going to and think about taking the all-in $697 one-time all-in marketing tool suite, I want to make it even worth more for you in your investment. And so I want to help you out and get you up and running, and we're going to be doing this after the bonus period extends, or I should say the refund period extends, and I've actually received my commission so that I actually have the funds to go about and do this. So this part, unfortunately, is not eligible for the piggyback bonus. I cannot do this for everyone that you actually refer, because I would run out of money really, really fast if that were the case. So again, these are extra bonuses, extra special for the all-in takers. They are not included in the piggyback bonuses. Okay, so let's go through them. Number one, I'm going to give you out of my own commission. So like I said, after the refund period, after verification also that your email system is set up and that we have you ready to go and your blog is good to go, I'm actually going to put $100 of my own commissions back into your affiliate link and your promotional link so that you can start to generate leads for the Now OS and help to build your team and help to build and generate those tier 1 and tier 2 cycles as well. Super bonus number 2, I'm going to hook you up as AI continues to expand. I'm going to hook you up with a scholarship for a $1,000 AI course that teaches you how to build your list, build your brand, build leads using services such as AI, ChatGPTs, and things like that. So this is an entry-level position for Affiliate Mentor, which is a real platform, one that I've been using for a while and associated with one of the owners in another program for many, many years. And so this is actually going to open you up to another affiliate opportunity for you, and I'm actually paying your way into it. Again, because of that, This one is not eligible for the piggyback bonus, okay? These super bonuses are not eligible for the piggyback bonuses, but all the other ones we talked about before are. And finally, the other thing I'm going to do, extra super bonus number 3, is a really, really cool one. Another opportunity that you can actually get into and use this around the world. You can send funds back and forth to people. You can use it for fundraising, perhaps, if you want to give money to churches or to other schools that have their own program set up. But I'm going to hook you up with $50 in gold. And so what this is actually going to require will be setting up a new free Sound Money wallet account. And again, after the refund, after the payment period, once you have set up and established your free Sound Money wallet account, I will drop that $50 in gold in there as an additional bonus for, again, taking initiative and taking action and hooking yourself up with the real tools that you need to build a business. So obviously the main goal here is that you have the right tools to build your leads list, to communicate with them, to attract attention, and to follow up repeatedly with these people. Now, keep in mind, some people might join and they'll opt into your list and they'll just be a free, maybe like a freebie seeker, or just, following your emails and haven't registered for everything, haven't, updated anything. And they may update or upgrade months later or even years later. I've had people on my list for 3 or 4 years in some cases that joined as a free member or just as an opt-in lead, that finally the moment was right for them and they finally bought in. So you never know when the right time for someone is, and that's when you have to, and why you have to continue with that concept of additional or continuous follow-up. It's not just about sending out one follow-up message or emailing them once or twice. It's about continuous messages over and over and over. Anyone that you ever see in the top of the leaderboards, it's always because they have a big list and they follow up with that list. So again, a little review of this. The MLM Starter Kit, $97. List Chemistry Lifetime, $397. 150 email templates, $497. The hotel vouchers, $500. Again, those $500, I can give you more of those once you use them up. You just let me know. I'll send you another one. The vacation stay, it's actually up to about $17.97 now because of the all-inclusive option in the Dominican Republic. The event notes at $19.97, lifetime coaching $49.97, bonus duplication, doubling all that, $9,982 for a grand total $19,964. That's the piggyback bonus. Okay, everyone's eligible for the piggyback bonus, whether you have bought just the Done For You blog or if you come in and buy the all-in. Everyone gets that, and you can use that as a piggyback bonus. Okay, only the people who come in at the all-in OTO at the $697, or if you came in later, maybe you're paying more and you're seeing a higher price, I'm going to hook you up and I'm going to make it even more worth your while. I'm going to give you $100 extra in clicks that I'm going to create a campaign for and send them directly to your Now OS promo link. I'm going to hook you up with an AI course valued at $1,000. I'm going to give you $50 in gold, and that is well over $21K in bonuses and more that are going to be coming on the back end, especially when we have our team resource page where I have an even more unannounced bonuses ready for you and waiting for you on the other side. So all you have to do, if you haven't done it already, click the link below or go to jointhisasap.com. This has been Dave Gardner. Look forward to seeing your success with the Now operating system. All of my training videos are inside the program and the platform. If you have questions, let me know. I'd be glad to create other training videos that will help you get up and running, but pretty much it's all in there. It is all ready to go. So again, click the button below or just go to jointhisasap.com. Take care.